Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete fingerprint lock data in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to delete fingerprint lock data in Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to delete fingerprint lock data one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all don't subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Tecno mobile you don't want your fingerprint lock, you want to unlock your mobile without fingerprint lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock mobile without fingerprint and how to delete Tecno mobile fingerprint lock data. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here, open your phone security setting. After turn on my phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone fingerprint lock setting. After turn on my phone fingerprint lock setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So means you have pin password, so enter your pin password, you have name password, enter your alphanumeric password, and you have pattern, so use your device pattern to continue. Okay, so friends, I have pin password, I will enter my password. Next, I have two fingerprint lock, you want to add one more fingerprint lock, you want to use three fingerprint lock, tap here add fingerprint lock, add your fingerprint lock, and you can use three fingerprint lock. So friends, I have two fingerprint lock, and friends, you want to rename any fingerprint in your mobile. So friends, select your fingerprint lock, and fingerprint lock 1 and fingerprint lock 2, and you can rename. So friends, I will name here my fingerprint lock, rename option, and friends, you can see fingerprint lock will rename. And you want to edit, so again you can edit. If you tap here, so you can edit my fingerprint lock. Second fingerprint you want to rename, so tap here rename option, and you can rename your second fingerprint lock. So fingerprint lock will rename in your Tecno mobile. And you want to delete, select your fingerprint lock data, delete option. As you can see, one fingerprint lock will delete in my Tecno mobile. I can use one fingerprint lock, two fingerprint lock I cannot use. Select your fingerprint to delete. As you can see, all fingerprint lock is delete, and you can unlock your mobile without fingerprint lock. Swipe here, enter password, phone will unlock without fingerprint lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.